In this first example of post-processing, we're going to be creating a colder, more subdued tone to this scene. As you can see on our post-processing, we have 4 effects. The first is our ambient occlusion. So we've added a little bit more contrast and shadows throughout the scene. We've just increased the intensity to 1.09. The second effect is our depth of field, where you can see we've brought the focus right in so it's closer to our player. We've made the focus distance about 8.5, our aperture at just over 10, and our focal length to 146. The third and perhaps most extreme effect is our color grading. We've changed the temperature down to -68. We've adjusted the saturation to -19, increased the contrast to 53, and then we've reduced the red on our red channel and increased the blue on our blue channel. This has taken out some of the warmer values and increased and emphasized those cooler values in our scene. Last but not least, we've added a slight vignette and changed the color, increasing the intensity to about 0.4. As you can see, this has made a much cooler, colder tone to our scene, brought the focus in and added a bit more of a higher contrast to the scene. To show the comparison between the two, you can see that post-processing can have a great effect on any scene.